Hi, Peepa. You ready for Reptiland?
Yeah.
Okay. This is where we're at here. Reptiland. Let's look at the front entrance. You want to look at the front entrance with Daddy?
Look at that frog over there.
Oh, yeah. Is Fifi ready? Let me see my Fifi. You ready for Reptiland?
Hey.
Look at her.
Upside
Let's do this. Take a picture real quick in the front. Reptiland. Right here. Are you excited, Peepa?
Yeah. I bet this is my umbrella.
That's her umbrella. And let's go. Okay. Hi, baby. Oh, we're gonna take a picture with this dinosaur right here. You ready?
You can chop cheese.
Okay. That's cool, huh? All right, let me take a shot of this. You want to take a picture?
You better watch your step and not don't walk backwards.
We should probably take a picture right here. Wow, look at this place. Okay, come on down. You're gonna see a brontosaurus on your right. See that? Go right. Whoa. I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
I'm back.
Just walk in. Whoa. Whoa, that's kind of cool. Like a bamboo forest. Look out for the dinosaurs.
Wow, what's he doing there?
See the alligator there?
What's he going? You see the butterfly? Yeah, that is what the blue. Yeah, I see that.
Want to take a picture with the butterfly here? We have a big turtle here. It's moving.
Okay, what's your name?
You want to take a picture now?
Yeah, but I want to take a picture.
Okay. Oh, there's a T-Rex right there.
Yeah.
You see the T-Rex?
Yeah, it's big.
You want to go over there and take a picture with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Please look, but do not touch.
Yeah, but you need to take a picture. Mom,
You want to take a picture with him? Okay, sit down there. Oh, we got something here. Let's see what this is.
see this?
Ah,
Dad, don't touch that.
maybe I should touch his mouth, huh?
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it?
Yeah, just sit back.
Okay. Are you having fun in the rain? It's moving. Whoa. The tail's moving and everything. Yeah. All right. Go over there so we take pictures. People, go inside the snake. Huh? Go inside the snake. You take a picture inside there. Okay. You don't have to be scared. It's not real. Look at this. It's not even real. You go inside there and
But it's wet.
it's wet. People's getting wet, huh? You hear the alligator? Alligator's over there. Anaconda Avenue. Is the tongue moving? Oh, you can see there. The tongue is moving a little bit. You guys having fun in the Amazon forest?
Let's go.
It's raining in the Amazon, guys.
Dad.
They have the Garden Cafe restaurant. Maybe we should go there. We're in the Amazon jungle. Stay under there. See? It's raining here in the Amazon jungle in the Philippines. Are you having fun, Phoebe? Are you ready? Let's go. Hurry up before that anaconda snake right there might get us. Let's hurry up to the restaurant. That's the only way we can survive, guys. Go in the restaurant. Everyone else is in there already taking cover. It's raining, guys. Bye. You got some popcorn in here. Hey, Biba. Hi. Oops.
Dad, look at bathroom. Anaconda Avenue. Okay, baba na. I'm in bathroom.
Okay, we're going there right now.
Whoa. Oh, that's a big snake.
Whoa, that's a big snake. It's like we're going through Jurassic Park here, guys. Watch out for that dinosaur on your right. Going to the mushroom. That's where we're going here, guys. It just finished raining, so we're taking advantage of this dry spell. Whoa. Can you go upstairs, Pipa?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, careful.
No, it's always baby soup.
Okay, hold on, good. There's a mushroom.
Let's go down.
Oh, you hear all kinds of nature up there.
Let's go down.
You're gonna go down now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You wait, mommy. After mommy gonna go the halfway.
And then mommy's gonna help you, okay?
One step at a time. Okay?
Cool. And then when you go down there, wave at Daddy, okay? I'll meet you guys at the top.
Okay.
Wow. You made it to the top. You made it to the summit, the mushroom summit. All right, Daddy's on his way. Wait for me.
Wave to the camera. Whoa. That's a nice view, guys, in here. Nature's view.
You're a dinosaur.
Yeah.